Okay guys, good morning. Andy Demi here at the London Trading Institute. I hope you are having a better morning than me. Had a bit of a nightmare today, so got up nice and early, 4:45. I was up, energized, ready to go. Had my breakfast, had my protein shake, got in my car, and halfway to my office I get a flat tire. Not the best start to the morning, so delayed my analysis, so I haven't had a chance to go through all the markets yet. Just been managing all my trades this morning, so thankfully one positive thing is that my trades have gone into profit overnight, so that's positive. I've currently got the Aussie yen, which is in some profits, and I've also got the CAD yen. So yesterday I took a few trades, managed some of the trades. Dollar yen, I took a nice trade that caught some of that, and that locked into some nice profits. I did try and take the scalp in dollar Swiss that I mentioned in the Elite Traders Club. That one didn't quite work out, so I took a small stop out on that one. But other than that, trades are going well. Just not the best start to the day, but that's sometimes that happens. But on a positive note, I do have my Costa coffee, so all is not bad. Okay, as long as I've got my nice coconut flat white, I'm a happy man. Now, on a serious note, what I want to do, guys, is I want to quickly recap some of the trades that we've been speaking about over the last few broadcasts that we've done, and kind of show you where we are with some of those trades. And throughout the day, I'm going to be going through the markets properly, and if I see any other opportunities, I'll shoot you guys another video. Okay, so let me go into the markets right now. I'll see you in there right now. Let's go do it. Let's put the coffee down. Okay guys, so here we are. The first currency I want to show you guys is the euro dollar. So we were speaking about the short, and the market has basically had a very nice move. First target has been reached now, guys. Okay, this was the target that we spoke about. Now I also did mention as a second potential target where you could also go for a double top target, so we could also do something like that. Okay, so if we're expecting the euro dollar to go lower, then we could look for another entry on a pullback, which I'll be covering during the videos on the Elite Traders Club. Now, the other one which hasn't quite gone, to be quite honest, as much as I had hoped, is cable. So we were speaking about the short from up here. Nice rejection candle there. We've created the evening star there. This still looks like a good short to me, but it can change if we get something announced that's going to lead to sterling going higher. Now, just to be clear, overall I think we are going to go higher, but in the short term I've been waiting for a pullback. So we were looking at this as, again, either a double top where we pull back into this sort of blue zone here, or if this kind of just continues like this, guys, then most likely it's going to be a flag and we're going to have a big move up. So just bear that in mind. So if it's a flag, then you're going to be expecting this market to basically reject around here, which is around the 128 area. Okay, so if you wanted a short-term idea, 128 is probably a good easy target, and if you wanted to go for a little bit more, then I'd be targeting this blue box. Alternatively, you could wait and see if we do enter this blue box here, and you could actually look to buy this market up. Now let me just share with you the trade that I'm in at the moment. Has got the Aussie yen. It hasn't really quite gone yet, so it's just kind of hogging this side of the trend line, and I'm basically kind of giving it until this area here. Okay, that's kind of my final point. right? So around that 75.50. If we clear this area here, then I'm going to be saying, look, this market's probably going to go higher, and let's start looking for an extended move higher. But right now, you know, I still like this. I still think we've got a lot going for it. And, you know, you've got this, you know, the argument for the upside, obviously, you've got this trend line here that could be reached. But, you know, I'm going to kind of say, look, this is a strong area here. And, you know, I'm going to give it a chance to see if we can pull back, okay? And if we do pull back into this blue zone here, then, you know, I will be a buyer of this market, because ultimately I do think it's going to go higher. And I've got CAD here as well. So again, it's, you know, I've got a decent entry on this one, but it's just not quite going at the moment. So, you know, just to remind you guys, though, I did catch a very, very, very nice trade all the way down there, okay, with, you know, it gave me about 2.6 to 1 reward to risk trade. So I took 2.6% out. I did actually take a percent on this trade, and I kept half on for a bigger target down here, and ended up also adding my position in again. So I'm in slight profits at the moment. I've got 2 positions on. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see if we can catch another move. Hopefully we will on the CAD yen. Okay, so that kind of wraps up what we've been talking about. I'm going to do a more in-depth analysis, and I will be sharing that with you in the private Facebook group. Should get something over to you guys by this afternoon. Okay, guys, so that's this morning's update. I will be sending you something later this afternoon once I've gone through all the markets, and I'm going to be posting it in the Facebook group, guys. So do look out for that. But I wanted to shoot you a quick video just to kind of update you on the things that I've basically been managing and where we are with those. And then I will be going through and completing the full analysis. Now, as you guys know, I am putting together a trade tracker sheet, and I will have that over to you by the end of this week. Okay, so not long to go. It's Wednesday today. It is mostly done. I'm using it. I want to make sure it's basically got everything that we that you would need, and then that is going to be included with the Elite Traders Club. So if you're part of the Elite Traders Club, then you'll basically have access to that. And the goal is we're going to add that to your portal, so you'll be able to just literally log in, and where you've got all your programs, you'll be able to basically see what we're looking at every day. And I'm going to have a little mini video pretty much for every single currency every week. Okay, it's going to be like a 30 to 60 second video describing the currency pair, what I'm looking to do, and all that kind of stuff, and obviously all the rest of it. So looking forward to sending you. I know you guys have sent me a few emails. You're excited about receiving it, so just bear with me. I will get that over to you. Okay, so that's it for today's update. If you want to join the Elite Traders Club, drop us an email. If you're not part of it, info@londontradinginstitute.com, info@londontradinginstitute.com, and we'll basically send you the information to get you signed up. Have a great day, guys. Good trading, and I will speak to you a little bit later. Take care.